Hello and welcome back to Financial Reactions. This video is going to be about the $10,000 portfolio, and we're getting enough information that I'm going to start breaking these up to make them a little shorter for you guys. So I'm going to do the Dividend Aristocrats, the index funds, and the monthly ETFs and monthly dividend stocks in one video, and then I'll do all the weeklies in a second video. That way we can keep this thing moving along a little faster. If you haven't been here before, would you do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button so gives me motivation to keep making these videos. To my new subscribers, welcome and thanks for joining me. All right, let's get into it. Our first is the Dividend Aristocrats. As you can see, we did have some good news with the pause in the war in Iran this week, so we did have a jump. Overall, the portfolio is about little under half of them are profitable. A lot of these stocks have been hurt by the downturn in the economy overall. So let's hope this thing keeps ticking back up. As you can see, we have had some payments. Let's take a look at Walmart. Walmart only paid 25 cents on a $125 or $26 stock. So that's not a huge dividend, but Walmart is also a stock that gains in value. So every time you get paid a dividend, even though it's a small amount, you're getting more shares. Cat hasn't paid, but they've done really well recently. Mighty Mo here has done really good. T. Rowe Price, as you can see, we had a dividend. They paid $1.30. And this is a good one. They paid a good dividend, and as you can see in their price, their average cost is down to $90.38, and they're up to $91.49. So even with that dividend payment, we are above our average cost. So that's a win-win. Plus $1.30 gets us a lot more shares with a nice high payment. Coca-Cola, 53 cents. And that just paid in April. So that's a good one also. So some of these are doing okay. And let's see, let's look down at the bottom. The bottom is Smucker's. I guess no one wants jam or jelly anymore. Hormel Foods, Clorox. It looks like a lot of consumer commodity or consumer goods are down here. Energy, or maybe because they're having to pay $100 a barrel for oil. I don't know. But that is the portfolio for Dividend Aristocrats. Index funds. Look at that recovery. We had a big jump in those. Let's take a look at what we're doing here. Wow. Only 3 losers. You got Schwab, Vanguard, and Spider. And Spider is the only one that's down, and that's all on price. You can see almost everybody has had a dividend payment. The Vanguard Russell, this one's done good. The average cost is 101, and it's up to 105 for the current price. And it paid a 26 cent dividend. Invesco's Q, 73 cents. So that's pretty good. This one, last one was 19, but it hasn't paid since we've put this in together. Vanguard Total. Kind of got stuck there. Paid $1. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice payment. That seems to be in line, and it seems to be growing. So that might be a good one to invest in. I might have to look at that myself. And as you can see, we're all the way to this Spider. Paid $1.80. How is that normal? Yeah, that's about normal. So wow, that's really nice also. So you can see some of these in the index funds, they're doing really good right now. So most of these we'll have to keep an eye on, but these might be some ideas for you guys to think about for a long-term investment. If you've never invested dividend investing before, if you're interested in any particular stock or fund, leave it in the comments below, and I will in the next video, I'll mention it, and I'll see if I can find out some information on it for you. Okay, we're going to hop over to monthlies. They had a good rebound in April also. As you can see, you started with $10,000, and like I said in the first video, most of these were just under 10,000 because I bought whole numbers, not partials. So any of these that you see are over 10,000, or even this one at 9,999, are probably would be profitable. So let's see if that holds true. Yep. And let's see, these have done well also. And let's see, who's the winner? The winner is Wisdom Tree, small cap dividend fund. Only paid 8 cents, so obviously this one is going to be a price return. So let's see. So yeah, it's up a little bit. Wisdom Tree, 2 cents. JEPQ, 56. Okay, there's a decent dividend payer. And that seems to be growing. We had a couple highs, so it goes up and down, but it's growing in the near term. It's a 10.73, so okay. Annual dividend is 6.7 cents per share. So that's about 10%. And if it has price stability, that would be good. JEPQ, SDIV, DAWN, QYLD. QYLD is another one that a lot of people have heard of. It's been around a little bit. And it's the NASDAQ 100 covered call ETF. Paid 17 cents, and it looks like 11% yield. So 17 cents, as you can see down here, seems to be in line. And then last but not least, the monthly dividend stocks. And this one also recovered. So let's see what we've got going on here. Ellington Financial is the big winner, and they did pay a 13-cent dividend. LTC Properties, so that's a property management, 19 cents, 10 cents. Apple, a lot of these are REITs, which are real estate, 8 cents, 7% yield, and 8 seems to be in line. And let's look down at the bottom. So Maine paid 26 cents, but it has lost the most in share value. And 26 cents seems to be normal. Main Street Capital Corp. Realty. This one is down a little. Paid a 27-cent dividend. And that's pretty rock steady. Look at that. A lot of 26s, and then they raise it to 27. So that's a long-term possibility. And that's it for the non-weeklies. Like I said, I'm going to make these a little bit quicker. If there's any particular one you're interested in, leave it in the comments, and maybe I'll be able to get you more information, do a deeper dive in it. So once again, thanks for joining me today. Make sure you take care of your body, take care of your finances, plan your future, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.